If the full range of speeds, forward and reverse, cannot be achieved, you can adjust the shift cable. Place the shift lever in the fastest forward speed position. Loosen the hex nut on the shift cable index bracket. Pivot the bracket downward to take up slack in the cable. Notice that there are 2 additional holes in the shift cable index bracket. You can move the shift cable to either hole if needed to allow for proper adjustments. Adjust the tension on the cable and retighten the hex nut. Test drive the snow thrower.